This is not the Hogwarts Express. And getting here, way harder than we expected. There are 3 steps, and one of them is where most people get confused. But fear not, I'll show you exactly how we did it, from central London to the Harry Potter studio. Step 1, Euston. Getting there? Subway, metro, underground, whatever you call it. Sounds easy, right? But wait. Step 2, train to Watford Junction. This is where most people get confused, because not every train stops at Watford Junction. So check the boards, find your platform, and quick double check if needed. And once you find the right platform and train, it's around 20 minutes until you get to Watford Junction. Step 3. Follow the signs for the official shuttle. And this is when it finally starts to feel like Harry Potter. Look at that bus. Doesn't it look like the real Knightbus? About an hour later, we made it. But there's still something important. On our way back, we almost missed the last shuttle. So don't stay too late or you might get stuck. And once you get there, that's when the real magic begins. We made a full video showing everything inside the studio. Don't miss it.